In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roku screen mirroring not working. Step 1. Check network connection. Ensure both Roku and the device you're mirroring from are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Avoid guest or isolated networks that block device discovery. Step 2. Restart devices. Restart your Roku device, your phone, tablet or computer, and your Wi-Fi router. Power cycle all devices to refresh connections. Step 3. Adjust screen mirroring settings. On Roku, go to Settings, then System, and then Screen Mirroring. Set screen mirroring mode to Prompt or Always Allow. Review the list of blocked devices and remove any unwanted blocks. Step 4. Test with another device or network. Try mirroring from a different phone or tablet to isolate the issue. Alternatively, connect both devices to a different Wi-Fi network or hotspot and test mirroring. Step 5. Update Roku software. Go to Settings, then System and System Update. Check for updates and install the latest Roku OS version if available. Step 6. Factory reset as a last resort if nothing else works. Consider a factory reset. Go to Settings, then System, Advanced System Settings, and then Factory Reset. Set up Roku again and test mirroring. And that is how you resolve the issue of your screen mirroring not working properly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe.